Let's make an eggplant and anchovy mojito. We are going to be making this drink with a glass, and we're going to start by putting some mint in the bottom of our glass. I've got about 8 to 10 mint leaves here, and I'm just going to drop them in. Then I'm going to put lemon juice on top of that. Normally for mojito I'd use a lime juice, but because this is anchovies, and anchovies has a fishy taste, and when you get fishy fish at a restaurant, you get lemon to kill the fishiness of that fishy fish. So we're using lemon juice for this mojito, and I'm going to put 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice in the glass. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Then 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of our eggplant syrup. And again, the recipe's here on the channel. Feel free to check it out. Link will be down below or at the end of the video, or both, really both. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, I think I said that. Normally when I make a mojito, and I do have a recipe for mojito here on the channel, again, that link will be down below if you want to check it out. I need the jigger still. Normally I would muddle at this point. But because we've got this anchovy stuff, I'm going to muddle it with the rums and this other stuff to make sure it gets thoroughly mixed. Now, let's start with the infused rum. This is breaking my heart. Let's start with the anchovy rum. And that anchovy rum I'm going to put in only a 1/4 ounce. I have tried up to a 1/2 ounce, but it tends to get really fishy. I don't enjoy that too much. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. If you want to try more, feel free to try more. Now, because I'm going for 2 ounces of rum in this drink, I'm going to put in 1 3/4 ounces of my Trader Joe's white rum. 1 3/4 ounces is 52.5 milliliters. Now I can set this aside. And I'm going to give this a muddle. Fill the glass with ice. 1 too many. And top it off with club soda. And I'm using a Schweppes. Use a club soda of your choice. If this was a regular mojito, I'd leave it like this because you get the gradation, a little bit of it. Because we've got the anchovy stuff in there, I am going to do a light stir to try and pull some of those flavors up and get the club soda down below. Add a straw and a sprig of mint. Wake it up. Pop it right in there. You could add a lemon wheel or a wedge if you'd like as well, but I'm just using the mint today. And that's it. The anchovy and eggplant mojito. Drink with good spirits. That's not nearly as bad as I feared. But I am tasting that fish.